Welcome, everybody, to the second meeting of the Crypto Mondays organizers, February 20th, 2025. First, we're going to have a couple new chapters, including Ireland, but I did not see Pete yet. And Crypto Mondays Baltimore is restarted, and I did not see Matt yet, but hopefully they'll make it. And then for those in who are going to be at ETH Denver, got a great ETH Denver. It's going to be rocking. We've already got over 900 RSVPs, and they're still rolling in. Should be another great evening. Okay. Also, if anybody wants a Crypto Monday Zoom background, Max made the background, so we can put your names, and if you want a chapter, if anybody wants one, let us know. And then the agenda for today. So I want to start off talking about the Decentralized AI Agent Alliance, which is an organization that we started, really with two purposes. First, we're building this AI agent, which is the second part. But on the Decentralized AI Agent Alliance, we want our AI agent Monday to be open source eventually, and we would love for the Decentralized AI Agent Alliance to run it. And so we've invited lots of other people in the community, and it's also something that I think Crypto Mondays, the meetup, has kind of proven that we can be leaders with individuals, and I think that the decentralized, we're calling it DIA, shows that we can also be community leaders with regards to projects, and I think it's off to a great start. Then we'll talk about the the meetups, how we're embracing AI. We'll go into Monday. Dele is here again, and he'll give a brief update on that. And then we'll update everybody on where we are in terms of tokenizing Crypto Mondays, and last kind of next steps and the asks, and there'll be plenty of time at the end for Q&A. So we had the first meeting of DIA on February 17th. When we launched with 32 members, I think 15 or 16 of them attended. It was, I think, a super impressive group. There's actually a replay. I think by a wide margin, the best part was when all the different members introduced themselves, and then even some of the people who hadn't officially become members, but were either part of our team or were folks like Brittany Kaiser, who's from Cambridge Analytica fame, who's now the Chief Strategy Officer at A16Z, Eliza. And they haven't officially joined yet, but she's excited to participate, and she's already taken over a co-chair in one of the subcommittees. So, encourage you, if you have an interest, to go watch that. The mission there is simple: to foster the development and proliferation of decentralized AI agents through education, activism, research, and events. We're off to a good start, but obviously the work lies ahead of us. Here's the first 30 members that we had, and so this is kind of the logo wall, which I think is some impressive folks like Polkadot or DCG. Actually, DCG has a big play now in decentralized AI. They started something called Yuma, which is a conversation that I had with them to describe as the consensus of BitTensor. And they're pouring a lot of funds into that. And we're actually going to be doing a fireside chat with the number two there, Evan Malanga, at Crypto Mondays ETH Denver. So you're very excited with the members that we have. And we really didn't even do a membership push at all. These were just, largely just folks that we had, had scheduled conversations with. And during the conversation said, hey, would you like to join the association? And basically everybody did. The ask is very low. Send us a logo and come participate in a few meetings. And if you get value from the meetings, you'll be excited to come back. And if you don't get any value, we're happy to take the logo down. And the value we really think is going to be driven in the subgroups. And so we started with three subgroups. One is legal issues. That was started by Adam Miller from MyDAO, Marshall Islands DAO, which is what the Crypto Mondays is on MyDAO. And Adam is also the co-organizer of Crypto Mondays Orange County. The data ownership, own your own data, is Dele. And I think that Brittany's going to be co-chairing that as well. And then the community management's the third one, and I'll be chairing that. And our subgroup, I have the mission as being to facilitate the building and proliferation of tools and workflows that optimize community member engagement. I think when you're managing a community, that's really what I'm focused on. I think you're either growing the engagement of your community or your community is dying. Okay, let's go to the meetups, embracing AI. I showed this slide at the first meeting, just, there's Web3 and now married with AI is bringing us to the post-web or the agentic web. I still don't think there's a generally accepted name for it, but we're not in Kansas anymore. And so, Crypto Mondays meetup now, we effectively have the same exact mission that we've always had, except now we've bolted on AI at the front to leverage AI to optimize our members' ability to learn, earn, and connect, and scale our ability to onboard people to the agentic web. I think crypto might be, because I think the agentic web is crypto, but got to look into that. So we're building our own AI agent to do community management, and the tagline that I'm currently using is the operating system of communities. This isn't just for us, although initially it is just for us, but we're going to be open sourcing it so anybody can come white label it, and the hope is we'll get thousands of communities all on the same platform, which would just have massive benefits for everybody. And so, that's why I think of it as kind of the operating system for communities. But with regards to, our specific agent, again, we're using this technology to do what we do, just accelerate it, improve it, I think, multiply it by AI. So we're going to continue to help people learn, earn, and connect. And, a simple, and when people say, what do you mean? Well, kind of a simple thing from the Connect. If the AI agent can go, take a look at, who's RSVP to the meetup, go to LinkedIn, get to know more about the members. We, might already know more about them, and they could send something out. Hey, would you like to meet, Joe looks like he'd be the, best person for you to meet given your overlapping things. Would you like to meet Joe? And it can actually set up some connections even before you get there. It's just one of an infinite number of things that the AI agent can do. And with that, I will turn it over to Dele. And Dele, you tell me when to go to the next slide.
Excellent. Yeah, please proceed on. Yeah, so yes, so as Lou says, we're building out this AI agent specifically for the Crypto Mondays community. And we're building on this platform agency, which we developed, which is going to be this open source platform, integrating that with these crypto information assets. You can click onto the next thing. So what is really going to be different about this versus other AI agents and other AI systems that are out there? Well, it's kind of really hyper-personalized and decentralized context. So this is really the heart of it. You'll have different types of framing for how the agent has your information and how you can share information with the agent and how it is able to contextualize